friends, Running Kimono here. So we have the best curbside deals this week over at Walgreens. You're ordering this stuff through the Walgreens app, hitting the box on the left-hand side with the red check, putting in your order, driving to the store and picking it up, and that is lovingly known as a curbside pickup. Now, with the 4th being celebrated on Thursday, lots of like soda and chip deals in this video and paper deals too, because you need that if you're having a cookout. So I have you covered in this video. If you could do me a huge kindness and please give this video a big enthusiastic thumbs up, it would really help me out and the channel. If you could just like this video, take a quick second and like it, I would be so grateful. Alternatively, if you are not into technology and ordering stuff through your cell phone and you just want to do a basic deal in store with register rewards, that is in store only with those register rewards, please check out yesterday's video. I will link it at the end. And while you're in store picking up your curbside pickup, go and moonwalk past that makeup aisle. Lots of Maybelline, the lip products are like $3.29 down from $12.99. We have a $3 digital coupon that's attaching. So you can score some very cheap, like 29 cents for one of these lip crayons. It's a fantastic deal. I would definitely grab them before they're out of stock. Unfortunately for curbside pickup, I could not line it up. They don't have these as part of it. You have to buy it in store. Okay, so deal number 1, we are going to get everybody's favorite 3 bags of Doritos, and hopefully you don't get in too much trouble for putting this in your curbside pickup. I am just kidding. So just 3 bags of that, and we have a 3 off of 3 digital coupon, which is a super generous coupon. Like, this is fantastic. And then we also have the $1.99 napkins if you're having a cookout, and these are sizable. It's like 250 of those for $1.99. And then some toilet paper too for $5. Now with the toilet paper, we have this digital coupon, which is a Walgreens coupon, $1.50 off. So this is like fantastic. It's either off the paper towel or the toilet paper. You pick. Just to show you the chorus line, $3, $1.50 with the code WAG10, another $1.15 off. So the overall basket is $15.99. Instant savings in IVC, $2.65 off. Free curbside pickup, that $3 manufacturer melting off as well. So $10.64. I would use $10 in Walgreens cash if you might have it and pay the 64 cents and call this a very smart basket. Next deal that we're looking at is going to be with the Lay's potato chips, and Fetch Rewards currently has a, I believe it's a spend 12, get back 1,200 points, so like $1.20. So hey, that's a little something. Make sure that you have this if you want to partake in this deal. And if you have not signed up for Fetch, check out the link in the notes. I think when you use my referral code and submit your first receipt, it could be a Taco Bell order from last week. You're given like an extra $2 or $3. Worth signing up for this app. So in your order, you're going to put in 6 bags of these Lay's chips on a buy one, get one free promotion. So we're putting in a whole bunch of chips, whichever flavors you want. I just went with salt and vinegar and then just the regular or the original. And we have this 3 off of 3. You're going to make sure you have it loaded. Now we're going to add just a little bit more to this basket that includes 3 of these Pepsis. So I had to go with 2 regulars and then 1 diet just to get the mathing. Also, I'm in Michigan, so there's always a recycling fee added to all these baskets, if you're wondering. It's an extra 10 cents per. And then we have this 3 off of 5. It's going to attach with some of the Lay's and some of the Pepsis. And then just to make sure the math is mathing, we're also going to throw in one of these. You always need napkins if you're entertaining a lot. I mean, it's just super convenient. So checking it out here, WAG10 taking another $2.03 off. And then we have $6 in digitals melting off right there. The overall total is $28.06, $2.03 with WAG10, and then another $6 melting off with the digital coupons. So the total of $20.14. If you might have $20 in Walgreens cash, use it and pay 14 cents, and you will get your bottle deposit back if you're in one of the states that have that bottle deposit. But it's a good deal. I mean, it's a lot of stuff for a cookout, and then you need your receipt to submit it to Fetch Rewards. So you're going to have to ask the cashier to process it through a regular machine so you get your receipt. If they scan it with a handheld, you don't get a receipt. So you're going to have to say, hey, I really need a receipt. And they'll be like, oh, no problem. Okay, so the next deal that we're going to do is deal 2.5. We're going to grab 3 of these 12 packs of the Dr. Pepper. There's other ones that you can grab as well. I just went with Dr. Pepper because why not? So it's $11.99 for the 3. We also have this digital coupon, which is $1 off of the 3. So you could go with 7-Up, A&W, Canada Dry, Squirt, Sunkist, or the Dr. Pepper. And then just to show you that, WAG 10 could not be applied for this for whatever reason. So the overall basket is $15.59 because I have to pay a 10-cent bottle deposit for each can here in Michigan. Free curbside pickup, no tax, dollar melting off. So I'm going to pay that $14.59, and then I'm going to get back, let me see here, $3.60 back in bottle deposits, so it makes your whole transaction $10.99 for 3 of those 12 packs. The next deal we're looking at is deal number 3. For this one, we are going to stock up on some fluoride Listerine. My husband recently asked for this, and I don't have any fluoride Listerine. Buy one, get one 25% off. Load these 2 digital coupons that are $3 off, which are very generous Listerine coupons. And just to show you, boom, boom, and then another $1.11 coming off with WAG 10. So that's why I would love to do this as curbside. And so it's $17.13 for the 2 mouth rinses. WAG 10, $6 melting off. So $10.98. I would use $10 in Walgreens cash and pay that 98 cents. And this is just something out of the blue. My husband's like, I have to start using fluoride mouth rinse as per discussion with the dentist. And he's like, could you get me some? I don't have any of this in my stockpile. I only have that alcohol stuff. So I'm like, oh, okay. So just figuring it out a different way. It's going to cost me 10, but then I'm not paying huge prices at the store for this. So hopefully they have it in stock and I can land this deal. Okay, the next deal that we're looking at is deal number 4, and I went back for a very traditional deal to get 3 of these Walgreens bathroom tissues. I think this one's very comparable to Angel Soft, so that's $15. We have this, which is $1.50 off each. It's an IVC, which is a Walgreens brand coupon, so fantastic. Make sure you have it loaded. And then to get the math to balance, I also threw in 1 single roll for 79 cents. If you're going camping this summer, you're probably going to need this guy. And then just to show you, $4.50 melting off, $1.50 off of each of those $5 packs, and then $1.13 with WAG 10. So the overall basket is $15.79, $5.63 of magic melting off, free curbside pickup and tax, $10.77. I would use $10 in Walgreens cash if you might have it, 77 cents. I think this is a fantastic deal. This next deal, I'm going to recommend that you go in store, pick up all the stuff, and then put the order in through your cell phone in the store. Because IBOTTA has a lot of rebates for some of these products, but you need to scan the barcodes. I could sit at home and pretend like I know what I'm doing, but it's the easiest way to go in the store and scan, and then put your order in that way. Bring your actual lotions to the counter, and they will scan all of it for your curbside pickup. And again, you need a receipt, so you're going to have to ask the cashier to process it through a regular register so you can get your receipt. So those generous rebates with Nivea, and then also there's some sort of a curbside coupon code to go with. So that's why if you could find the exact stuff and then put your order in that way, it's the way to do it, and you need your receipt. So 2 of these lotions is $21.98. And then I'm also going to throw in 1 of these lip balms. It's a double pack for $4.99. And there's a code to use to get $5 off, which is always nice to see whenever Nivea does that. So here it is. It's just Nivea, and you get 5 off of 15. And the promotion with Nivea is to spend 20, get back 10. So that's why I'm grabbing $25 in merchandise if you haven't figured that out. So with my basket, it's $26.97. Subtracting the 5, I'm still at $21.97. So for the balance of $23.29, you must pay with your debit card, credit card. Do not use Walgreens cash. And then you're getting back 10 Get your receipt, photograph it to IBOTTA. Some of those big Mama lotions, like $2.50 a piece, that's another $5 back. It makes this deal absolutely fantastic. If you could try to get $35 rocking and rolling, that might be even better to get that extra $7 back. But just a thought on how to do the Nivea deal. I would definitely bring this one in store and then put your curbside order in after you could see the inventory and scan it with IBOTTA to make sure that all your ducks are in a line. That's it for this video, guys. Catch you in the next one. Bye.